What's your name? Huh? Tiger. Tiger. Your name is Tiger. Why? Because it's Ganesh Chaturthi. Wishing you all a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Our parents back home, they keep Ganesha at home and पूरे 5 दिन उनकी अच्छे से सेवा करते हैं, उनकी अच्छी से पूजा करते हैं और फिर उनकी विसर्जन करते हैं. लेकिन हम यहाँ पे we just do a normal पूजा at home क्योंकि हमारे दोनों घरों में already इंडिया में पूजा पाठ हो रहा है. तो हम यहाँ पे अपना रीति रिवाज के साथ पूजा करते हैं, लेकिन हम गणेश जी की मूर्ति यहाँ पे अलग से नहीं रखते. Now today Sid and I are going to our friend's house. In fact, we are going to 2 of our friend's house. But before I go out, first of all, how am I looking? So guys, please, मेरे साड़ी ड्रेपिंग को जज मत कीजिएगा. I am pathetic. ये इतना कुछ भी जो मैंने ड्रेप किया है, this is all thanks to Sid. So
you are most welcome.
Thank you, thank you. And आपको quickly मैं Sid का अवतार दिखाऊं? So just give me a second.
Hi guys.
So ये है Sid रुको यार, everyone wants to see you. So now थोड़ा सा.
So this is a fusion, North Indian क्या बोलते हैं इसको? कुर्ता. With South Indian veshti.
Yes. So he is doing a fusion क्योंकि गर्मी बहुत है और उसको थोड़ा सा air conditioning fusion करना था. So he is doing a fusion and I'm wearing a sari. बहुत ही occasionally we get to wear traditional clothes. तो जब मौका मिलता है, Sid and I grab it with like both the hands. I also want to show you a sweet thing. So during Ganesh Chaturthi or any auspicious occasion, there is a ritual called Haldi Kumkum. Lots of my Maharashtrian friends, they know about it, Haldi Kumkum. In Tamil it is called exchanging Vetla Pak.
हाँ, Vetla Pak.
Vetla Pak or Tambulam. And what is this whole ritual? So it's a very sweet ritual where a married lady, 2 married ladies in fact I would say to start with, 2 or more married ladies, they exchange blessings by giving each other, you know, things related to marriage. So for example, vermilion, that is sindoor, bindi, bangles and fruits, blouse piece, what I'm wearing. So a blouse piece, or normally I give dupatta also, because if I see that okay this friend won't wear a blouse, then I end up giving dupatta or something. So it's up to you. Then we give fruits, then we give coconut. So I'll just show you quickly. I have gathered a few items for my friend whose home we are going now, and let's come. So I picked this fruit basket for my friend. Now people they give tray, they give bowl, but I picked this fruit basket for my friend. और इसके अंदर मैंने सारे items रखे हैं. So to start with, I have kept fruit. This is bangles, coconut, a small token of gift. This is diya, haldi, turmeric, kumkum, vermilion. So haldi kumkum ka set. And sadly because there's lockdown, so बहुत सारे Indian stores के पास Indian items नहीं है, so I don't have a beautiful pouch. But here I have kept bindi, the one that I have put on my forehead, and 2 whole haldi, that is turmeric, and 2 whole betel nut. And here is a blouse piece. Everything goes into this fruit basket. And I was like, this is practical, she can use it to keep her fruits and all. And I really found it it looked very cute to me. So we are ready. So we are all set to go, guys. Sid has all the items with him, whatever we are taking for her. I have the sweets with me. And here I am locking my home. Let me know, guys, if you want me to do a home tour. This is a beautiful toran जो last time मैंने दिवाली में लगाया था. So let's go, friends. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Finally, the festivals are starting.
Oh, I thought that you are talking about my final appearance. Like, finally I'm in the Frappuccino.
Yeah, that was also there. I mean, people were like telling me again and again, Sid kahan hai, Sid kahan hai? So finally, guys, Sid ye hai. Ye raha Sid.
The man behind the mask.
And here I am. Now guys, we'll see you next when we hit the road. We have arrived. So we have arrived guys, we are in the lift. अब हम वहाँ जाते हैं. अगर बहुत सारे गेस्ट होंगे then we will not shoot a lot. We'll do a time lapse video, okay?
Hi. How are you?
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, good.
Come please. Now like this. How? One more.
Hi, Yuvikuti.
Do we say hi? Say hi. Say hi.
Say hi.
Adi, Adi, Adi. Say hi on the camera. Hi, hi.
Hi.
You. Moria. Okay. 1, 2, 3, Moria.
Good boy.
Now we have We are wrapping up now and we are leaving for destination number 2. Let's go. So guys, we are in destination number 2 और गरम गरम पूरी खाएंगे हम लोग, पनीर की सब्जी खाएंगे, सैलेड खाएंगे, आलू की सब्जी खाएंगे, and he is the host.
Hi.
Amit. And she is Apni. Sorry. We are meeting second time, so that's why I forgot her name. He is Kuldeep.
Hi.
प्रियंका से हाय. इसको आपने देखा है प्रियंका को in my life after lockdown video, और वो जो येलो में जो और जो येलो कुर्ते में है वो है हेमलता. And this is Priyanka's Ganpati celebration. So here there is modak. गणेश जी को अच्छे से डेकोरेट किया गया है और यहाँ पे गर्मा गर्म पूड़ियाँ बन रही हैं. So friends, अब हम मिलेंगे after the dinner. अब see you once we are back home and अब हम थोड़ा अपना गर्मा गर्म पूड़ियाँ रेडी भी करते हैं और टेस्ट भी करते हैं. ओके. Hi guys. So अमित और प्रियंका के घर का ज़्यादा फुटेज हम नहीं ले पाए बिकॉज हमारे कैमरे का बैटरी चला गया था एंड वी वर सो बिजी चिट चैटिंग एंड डिस्कसिंग आवर नेक्स्ट गेट टुगेदर एंड यू नो टाइम का पता ही नहीं चला. बाय द टाइम वी वर बैक होम इट वॉज 1 एंड ऑल वी वॉन्टेड वॉज टू चेंज एंड हिट द बेड. सो दैट्स वॉट वी डिड. But overall, Ganesh Chaturthi celebration was just amazing. It was fun to see our other friends also and एक अच्छा positive feeling आया. After a long time we had such an amazing time. And I hope आप सबका भी गणेश चतुर्थी ऐसे ही गया होगा. Now let's just pray to Almighty that you know we are free from this COVID. Vaccines should be out soon and the virus should be contained soon so that we are COVID free. Because अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. Now the festivities would just start like anything. It's going to be like series में festivals आने वाले. So let's just hope भगवान जी please वैक्सीन को बाहर कर दो और इस दुनिया को कोविड फ्री कर दो. Okay? A special prayer for the world from Frappuccino. Now, coming to this video. If you enjoyed this video, then
Please like and share.
and if you are new here or you haven't subscribed to my channel, then
Please subscribe to Frappuccino!
So here's Frappuccino signing off. Stay safe, keep smiling, and always stay positive.